This is the definitive video to solve the Anbernic GBA real-time clock error. Having personally encountered this persistent issue and exhaustively tested numerous approaches, I finally pinpointed several reliable methods to overcome it, and I'm now ready to share them with you. The RTC error on Anbernic GBA emulators typically stems from an incorrect or unsynchronized internal clock, which is crucial for many emulator functions, including save states and game progression tracking. Method 1 directly addresses this by manually setting the device's system date and time, ensuring the emulator references an accurate clock source. This simple adjustment often resolves the underlying discrepancy. Method 2 involves updating the Anbernic firmware, as newer firmware versions frequently contain patches or improvements that rectify clock management issues, thereby synchronizing the device's internal clock more effectively. Method 3 delves into the emulator's configuration files, allowing for direct manipulation of the RTC settings. By adjusting specific parameters within these files, we can force the emulator to recognize and adhere to a corrected time reference, bypassing potential system-level conflicts. Finally, Method 4 suggests a system reset and reinstallation of the emulator software. This approach acts as a comprehensive cleanup, removing any corrupted data or configuration conflicts that might be causing the RTC error, and then re-establishing a clean clock baseline. Each of these methods targets the core problem of clock desynchronization from a different angle, providing a robust set of solutions for any user.